Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Bluetooth if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm only starting from the simplest way. Just simply restart Bluetooth connection. Just hold the finger on the Bluetooth to open the settings and switch it off, switch it on again. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose reboot. And after the restart, if you still don't have your device on the Bluetooth list, you can try to update your Bluetooth system by this button. And you can also check the Bluetooth block list in the additional settings. If you have something here, just delete it, then look for the device again. After that, you can also try to open the settings, then go to the connection sharing and slide down to the reset Wi-Fi mobiles and Bluetooth. Choose reset settings, configure pattern, click OK and look for the device again. You can also try to update your system if you have any updates in the above phone and tap on the MIUI version. If you have any updates here, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other device with Bluetooth to check which one making a problem, which one is visible, which not. So at least you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices, and you need to probably activate a pair mode. How to do it you will find in the manual instruction. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button. Sometimes you have to push the button for 5 seconds. You have to check it by yourself in the manual or maybe on your YouTube channel. So visit us, thanks for the watching and goodbye.